Remember when Alkaline just come out? And the Alkaline are the first one they say F the system. And everybody group up to tear down Alka. I know Uno give Massacre the credibility where Alka already did do. And say, but music and music. And me not pick side, but data. Yeah. You know why I say data? The man of the underdog. The man come out and push him on strength without nobody. Give him a forward and him get fight down by everybody, but him still rise up. Understand them type of strength you have to show respect to it, regardless of which team you're upon.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
They don't know Media Fox, you know. So look at now people. They got break down that system thing, you know, when it comes to musical, you know. When it comes to Alkaline, see? And you see all of them cover where you see. I want to know, go back or watch. Just click my video them and go back to watch your video them. You understand? But I go break it down to you. But by using the cover right now, for you understand. So look at now. When you see the first one, seeing Spice and Alkaline. Seeing you don't know Spice and Gaza. Seeing you don't know she go do. Remember one time, you know, when she do the ramping shop with she and Vice Cartel, you know. Seeing and then Cartel forward in with be a female artist, Vanessa Bling, Sheba, Inyo, the whole of them. Remember, you know, you never have enough dancehall female artists like that. I remember say Cartel left Alliance and create him own like a system there, so the Gaza. So you know say after that now, after Cartel forward in with theme set of artists them. Cause the one little song what them did do together, you know. You don't know new people them shut down the song, the ramping shop with it really see must a rhythm or something, see? So after that now, nothing never did that one with Spice. So them time after Alkaline bust now. A Spice and Alkaline that had the song. You understand? Together. But look at now. She plan a bag of things. She and one of her friend. If get the guy. If it sound like Alkaline and make it look like she had this cause she want to be loyal to the Gaza boss. You understand? So look at now people. Want to go watch a video there. So just look on the thumbnail them, the first one with Alkaline and Spice. Go watch that. Seeing the second one now. This is one here now with Alkaline and Beanie Man. You see me? Below. The one with Alkaline and Spice. The one with Alkaline. I remember say Beanie Man been a fight the youth, you know. Remember say Beanie Man forward out, you know. And I'd say, yo, the youth say, nah, perform for dirty Jamaica. And one bag of thing. Carry down the youth. Zine. Go every little platform. Remember one time man go up on all, what you call it? Man go up on stage. Them time there. You don't know the police, I mean, that tell Alkaline for forward in. Him forward out, attack a bag of things. But Alkaline disrespect the government, disrespect the police. And when name Winford asked him about more things, him no know. Him no really know. But him did a chat off him about everything. What him no know about, you know. You understand? So every little thing him try find him way for bring down the youth. Cause through the youth did their foreign and him forward out. Yo, him a go on like him no want perform for Jamaica. This and that, and boom, when you look Alkaline carry new rules 2017, shut them all up. I tell you. You understand? So Beanie Man, I saw him stay and him always a fight youths, you know. Yeah man, I saw him stay. Anytime he can't control you, I saw him move. See? So look at now. The next one, Alkaline and Nuffy. Over the years, you know, you see through Alkaline never did to a fall upon the stink thing. Cause them been at this Alkaline and thing, you know. So Nuffy never like that. Cause them say Alkaline take food out of them pocket by not. Forwarding pan sting because no more giant never really did it. Otherwise, some Alkaline and them that try to get Popcaan because you don't know Cartel they are prison. I remember say them and Cartel they fall out, you know. And so Cartel wouldn't do back the show again. So him that try to get Alkaline and nothing never like that. That's why him a forward in 2025 and I thought about yo, Alkaline not enough for the culture and this and that. Them they hate. You know what they burn them people? When Alkaline forward out and start doing own a show. That burn them because look, I feel them show they go down in a ditch. So that even worse. Them never want the youth keep him own show because through them can't get for book him not for keep none for himself. You understand? And them was the same one say yo, them not need Alkaline on them show. But look on last year when Cartel keep Freedom Street, who them a call for? Them end up link Alkaline team. Alkaline team say no. You understand? The man them have to respect them brand. The man them not take no disrespect towards them brand and then end up who come bow back to Uno just so easy, so. No, and that's how it work. Alright, people. The next one. Bounty Killer Alkaline. Remember over the years, Alkaline sing some song. See? Can't remember, Them sing some song back in the days, I don't remember what them say. But look here now, once Bounty can control it, yeah, him nah go with you. Cause that's why everybody, the artists them about big in a game right now, them need to have left and run him for do it. You understand? Because him no wanna youths go above the general, You understand? Him no wanna youths get bigger than the general. You see, so him try to do every little thing, tant it. Alkaline send him a little vice, like send him a little text about him mother and thing, and him go up on academics, chat up one bag of thing, in him feelings. I thought, boy, yo, Alkaline stupid. This, that, rare. One bag of chatting, man. Until this day, but let me tell you this. You see, when you fight youths, remember say you're there forward, but people, remember, just look on the thumbnail them and go watch the video them and see everything we are going. You understand? Then the next one now, Alkaline and Gully Bop. Cause look here, Gully Bop, remember us, Leng no Gully Bop from in the 90s, See? And look here now. Him never believe in a Gully Bop back then because Gully Bop never have the name and never get the clout. So when the youth video Gully Bop now, in the 2000s, seeing video Gully Bop and him sing a song and it go viral. At them time them start believing in a Gully Bop, so they start push Gully Bop now. So link them a push Gully Bop and invest in him and everything. But look here now, through them still want, them couldn't get Alkaline, you know what them do? Them send Gully Bop off Alkaline, a whole series, everything. Just if you go up on YouTube, just go up on YouTube and type in Gully Bop this Alkaline and see how much video. Them same one link them, send Gully Bop off of Alkaline for this him. All pan stage and one bag of something. But you don't know, Vendetta Boss not really pre them. But you know what the worst thing, people? Them use these artists, Sting. Use these artists, and so when the artists them need them not dead for them. Yeah, tell her that. I remember when Gully Bop sick. I want woman, I think I was name Auntie Dana, me see a ball for help. Gully Bop, none of them not dead there. That after the fame and the hype gone, you understand? That's Alkaline say, yo, him not bring the fame and hype at the fortune. So Gully Bop did bring the fame and the controversy and never know say that day going to forward where the same people them there around you, when you're sick or whatsoever and nothing not go on, them are going left from around you. Them not dead for you no more. And I see what happen. And see there, R.I.P. Gully Bop. You see me? You go on with that thing and you get a little time in a dance hall. You see me? But sorry say you never pick up what go on. So them just that use you until that time. You see me? Alright now people. If you go extreme top you know, the one you know with Nightly Fix. Yeah man, me I tell you people. Me I tell you say them use them platform for them bring down Alkaline for years, Yeah man, for years from the youth bus. For years them a bring down the youth. The youth never yet do an interview with them yet. Based on like go at them studio, go sit down with them. No, them only are over phone. And I just Alkaline is smart for that too. You understand? Because them always run with that one narrative with Alkaline. Because them brain in our matches box, You understand? It show you how them mindset. Cause if every day you get up on this one be wash thing, it show on the brain set. You understand? And what you attract to. You see it. So Nightly Fix. Everybody fall upon them platform, them bring up Alkaline. Yeah, for use that the artist say. So you say Demarco forward upon it, Ninja Man. So many people, like some people in music, them bring upon them platform, them always bring up Alkaline, and then when the people them say, yo, move from your son, I use Alkaline for get views. Hear them now? You see when them Alkaline name bring up now, you hear them attack about, yo, don't call him name. But them say I use name, that's what them do with Ninja Man. You understand? So a lot of people fall upon them platform. In a 2025, worse, Vice Cartel go co-sign them. It even get worse. Everything what Alkaline do. Alkaline drop a song, you hear them review it. Them not even put it on their main page, Yeah man, them put it on a different page. And review his song and say, oh, this no good, this. When Alkaline is 6 war, you hear them. Yo, I don't want to hear that. I don't care about that war there. I saw them go on. You understand? But people, go back in my videos them, I want to see the thumbnail and just watch every one of them. I want to see what go on. You understand? But it's a series. I think it's a serious thing we are going to dance where enough people don't even know. You understand? So I make them know back in 2025. And you see what Alkaline reach right now. Remember me tell you, when I go see that youth there, on the top of the peak of the hill, and one go up there and can't go up there. Remember me tell you that. So the next one now, people. Seeing? The next one you know, on stage. On stages. This is one of industry TV them, you know. And then, you know, Nightly Fix at the industry podcast. So on stage, Winford, when Alkaline just bust. Remember, you know, you're supposed to focus on the artist, right? This man yeah, a force Alkaline figure and next man a special ratings. Seeing? Special ratings, you know. And then at the first interview, him asked Alkaline if a cartel special. Remember, you know, and a cartel alone influence people in a dance hall, you know. You have Movado, you have so many artists. But you don't know through Vice Cartel are the system puppet and things. So you know every youth them are try to compare them or this or that. Zine. So look at now. I ask the youth if about special, if him have special ratings for Cartel. You say no. You understand him say yo, I rate Cartel like every other artist. I don't know what kind of special ratings you know want. Then at the next interview, I ask him man if he want take back him talk. What him say about Cartel. And I go say yo, you say Cartel is not a special. You say him is like a regular artist. I say what? So Alkaline say yo, then him go ask him man say yo, you borrow things from Cartel. Man say yo, when I borrow. So all of these things and when Alkaline attempts to him create him own vendetta thing, him go say, "Wanna come for mash down the system." Because them want these artists to go through feed them system. So it's a whole series, you know. Remember, you know, people. The man them carry on Tommy Lee about 2 or 3 times just to talk about Alkaline. Nothing about Tommy Lee himself, you know. The man them interview Tommy Lee just to talk about Alkaline. I could believe it. You understand? So these people, yeah man, you look like them for Alkaline for ordinary business. I just beer. Me see one at a time, you know. You see when Vice Cartel forward out from prison, where they, I see Vice Cartel do an on-stage interview and them never yet ask a question about Alkaline. Never. Not saying it's relevant for ask, but me I show you say every time the youth forward on stage, them ask him bring up something about Cartel. But when Cartel go do an interview, them not ask him about Alkaline. So it show you brother systematical thing I go on there. So you understand? So look here now. And next one, ER. Entertainment report. Same thing, man. When Alkaline just a forward out, people, I want if you know say when Alkaline just a forward out and do the interview with ER, right? You know say Anthony asked the youth if him a copy from Tommy Lee. If I know Tommy Lee a Cartel, yo dog, we are telling you that he does see that easy dog. Me say the man him can ask him much a question. Remember a man do a whole interview thing and the man ask him about cartel, everything. Me I tell you like a youth couldn't just do him thing without them involve Cartel in the thing. You understand? Bring up him name and all of them little thing. That's why Alkaline stop the interview, you know. Yeah man, him stop because all them ask about the next man. You don't want to do interview and focus on your career and them ask about next man. Because how many interview Cartel fought from prison since and them ask him about Alkaline. It's a low percentage. So when the youth do interview now, them ask him. Every time. So it show you people, them people are systematical people, man. But look here, them can't hold the youths them again, you know, because you have social media and them little thing there. You notice that all of these platforms, you realize that them things just are water down, little by little. Yeah, man, because you them have them social media for promote themselves. Them can just put up a camera, put on social media, and just talk them business or whatsoever. Or, you know, have them own people or interview them and them something. Yeah, man, so them can't hold the youths them. So look here now. Next one, people. Alkaline and Tommy Lee. See him interview them, I tell you where the man they make Tommy Lee do boss about 2 interview on stage just to talk about Alkaline. Cause one night time I say, bro, Tommy Lee, bro, why you make the people them have like a puppet, so dog? I saw you love man, so you till you every time you go up on the platform, the man them just ask you everything about Alkaline. Me see a time in the people. The whole series of Tommy Lee him go sit down beside Alkaline and playing, you know. And I can't believe that the man come back for the interview about that. The man move every day from film seat for go sit down beside Alkaline and make must one of them take picture with the man. Yo, the man really is a fan. But Tommy Lee, I don't know. To me, him just a fan of Alkaline and him just not want to say it. You see, because there's no way I could say a brother do them something, dog. You see me? So, people, the next one. Popcaan. You see me, aka microwave. Remember, you know, Popcaan and remember say after Not Nice left Gaza, you know. Seeing Popcaan and Not Nice now 200. So look here now. You see when Popcaan thing a diggle down now, nothing no hype, nothing no go on. Them time the Alkaline a mash up a place are not nice and Alkaline a power. You know what boy do? Boy go around a not nice place. I talk about, yo, today I'm strong enough. Wow, put the difference aside, you know. Rare, this, that. 3 more forward round there because Alkaline round there. Cause remember him tell not nice say yo, him now go forgive not nice because him must be boss Alkaline. Bad mind the youth, you know. Why no think say after Alkaline keep new rules, him go start do unruly first? Because the boy bad mind. You understand? Him never want Alkaline to do things. So that's why him want to do it too. For try size up. That's why Alkaline have to make him know him lesson. You understand? And this him up wicked. Because them youth just love meds, man, bro. You see, cause look here. Why after a son, you're not nice, never good so many times. And true thing I go on for not nice, you know, cause cartel kick him out of camp. Seeing and thing I go on for not nice, you know. You want running when him and Alkaline apart and him youth get the buzz. Running now, they run a studio every day. And thing. That's why not nice even tell you, say yo, from that little time the Popcaan come around, then him not see back Alkaline again, you know. Because Alkaline and say, yo, man just a forward when I see every time I read. You understand? And then man just cut, bro. Alkaline just say, yo, I don't like them energy and just lift up. You understand? Until this days when Alkaline say, yo, remember I go on a studio, everybody want to know what that. You understand? I don't really know what go on. Maybe some tussling or something, but that youth when him Popcaan, him not like. That's why you see everybody around him, left and around him, you know. Quad of them and the whole of them. Because them youth, they don't want to see youth rise, ching. Quad of them, Jaffras, the whole of them. But you even him one cousin. But usually they around him. When name all Virgin too. The whole of them were they around Popcaan left. Them youth, they don't want to see youth rise, brother. A valiant them too. You understand? So this a youth a pre-Alkaline because the youth a mash up the road and I drop him song them. You understand? So people, remember, you know, these are just some of the people them when I tell you say, yo, someone to go watch a whole live video them and see what me I say. You understand? I know some people are going to take forward and say this, that and rare. But just watch a video them and understand. Because this is why I highlight these things to show you, say, look here. When you hear them talk about Massacre and fight, Massacre not get no fight. Massacre get the biggest endorsement in a dancehall. Massacre and everybody good. Every Bounty, Beanie. I just know a little thing with Cartel, but Cartel been again the strength. You understand? Massacre good, Wayne Marshall, everybody man good with brother. Everybody, them see him as a good you just a do songs. Everybody, even government, I'm good. You understand? Because they endorse him, dub plate and every little thing. Him and the Prime Minister link up. So everybody now fight Massacre dog. Him just a play a victim because him want to be like Alkaline. At that, you know, him want to be like Alkaline because look you now, Alkaline do him own a thing, him have him own a fans. Nobody can program him. At that him want to look at people. Him forward out and fix them and say, look here. If Alliance, if Bounty Killer did for call him or Cartel did for call him would have said no to them because all them do a beat artists and all of them look something there. Which we know what go on, but him say him would there on him. And when you look at the same youth, a power on the man them. But him get him strength here now and him make him name. Him want just feel like I play a victim card now about system of fight. No system now fight Massacre, brother. System now fight Massacre. You understand? What? Although him and Cartel no good, him still have Bounty on him side. Him have enough other artists on him side, brother. You understand? So, me don't know what them talk about fight, bro. Massacre not get a fight, dog. Me don't know which battle him a fight. Alkaline, I get the fight over the years. And you know what the worst thing? Alkaline no meds them. Him just stay quiet and just make them chat. And just end up in a one patrol. And that Alkaline do. You think Alkaline depend on the media in a song a ball like how Massacre ball about system? Alkaline and a time for that. The man just put in the work. The man, if Alkaline did not meds the system, brother, he may do the reach for him there, bro. Come that win a depression and just give up. You understand? So the youth just put in the work over the years. You know, see, the youth have him show keep worldwide right now. How much dancehall artists in the dancehall right now keep them show worldwide. New rules. How much dancehall artists I do it and I pull crowd. You understand? The youth just pre the future. Yeah, him just want to be great. Him not say my goat, him not say my king, nor emperor, one of them something there. Or crooks whatsoever. Cause him not say that. You understand? The man a put in the work. Him a put in the work. And remember me tell you this. You see him Stone with the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. Remember me tell you, look what got me in a dancehall. Yo, when I go see what you got to be a moment. Remember me tell you that, yo, big up all of the people them. You see me? Yeah man, big up all of the fan base. Cause look here, I wouldn't make the artists them there. Yeah, and I wouldn't make everybody have things to talk about. Big up all of the fan base them. You see me? Yeah. Big up everybody. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, the whole of we are one. But we bad mind each other same way. And that's how you think we're just human. You see, but people, bless up on yourself, you know. You don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah man, you don't know what things said. Bless up. Respect.